Hello friends, welcome to Mirror Magic, the ultimate destination for all things mirror decorations. Our YouTube channel is dedicated to bringing you inspiring ideas, creative projects, and expert tips to transform your mirror into the stunning focal points in your home. At Mirror Magic, we believe that mirrors are more than just functional pieces. They are opportunities to add style, personality, and a touch of enchantment to any space. Whether you are looking to revamp a dull hallway, upgrade your bedroom's aesthetics, or give your living room a glamorous makeover, our channel is your go to resource. Here's what you can expect from Mirror Magic. Number 1, inspiring mirror makeovers. We will showcase incredible before and after transformations that will leave you inspired and motivated to turn your ordinary mirrors into extraordinary statement pieces, from modern and sleek designs to rustic and vintage charm. Number 2, dye mirror projects. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Our channel will provide step-by-step tutorials on dye mirror projects that are easy to follow even for beginners. Number 3, styling tips and tricks. We will share expert tips and tricks on how to make the most of the mirrors in different areas of your home. Discover how to use mirror to maximize natural lights, create the illusion of space in small rooms, and enhance the overall ambience. Number 4, home decor inspiration. Our channel is not just about mirrors, we will also provide a wealth of home decor inspiration. Whether you are a seasoned interior designer or a passionate dye enthusiast, Mirror Magic is here to ignite your imagination and guide you towards creating captivating mirror decoration that will leave you get ready to reflect your style with us. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video.